Let's learn in this video how we can install the shaders in TLauncher Minecraft. Firstly, to install the shaders in Minecraft TLauncher, we're gonna have to install the Optifine. So let's go to browser and you're gonna go to this website here, optifine.net/downloads, and you're gonna find the version of Optifine that is compatible with Forge. If you check on the latest Minecraft version, the Optifine files for the latest one are not compatible with Forge. So we're gonna check this version 1.2111. You can see this Optifine is compatible with Forge. So if you wish, you can download this. But if you want to check other versions, you can see you can download this one as well. Now I choose this version 1.2111. One thing to keep in mind is that you're going to make sure that this version is installed inside your TLauncher. Let's go find. I have this Forge 1.2111. So I have installed this Forge 1.2111. If you don't have it installed, you can just install from here. Minimize and you can download this Optifine. Skip the ad. Download. It's downloaded. Let's bring this file to desktop and it's here, Optifine 1.21.11. Once you've downloaded, open up TLauncher. Go to folders, you're gonna find the mods folder. Open up this, bring the Optifine folder here, drop. Once it's done, close. Now launch TLauncher once again, refresh here. You're gonna double check that you have selected Forge because Optifine is only compatible with Forge. Enter the game. Now to get the Optifine, go to options and go to video settings. You can see there's Optifine written at the bottom. That means the Optifine is correctly installed. Further, you have got the option of shaders here. If you go to shaders, so that means that the Optifine is correctly installed. Now you can proceed to add the shaders to the shaders folder and you're going to put the shader packs here. Close it for now. Let's go find the shaders, minimize. You're going to Google search Cores Forge shaders. Click on the Minecraft shaders from Cores Forge. Scroll down. Scroll down in the filter section. Select your game version, which is 1.21.11. Take this one here. Now these all are the shader packs that are compatible with your version. Let's do this one, download. So it's downloaded. Let's bring this zip file to desktop and it's here, shaders. Go to TLauncher, open up the shaders folder, drag and drop the shader pack. Once it's done, close and select the one that you have added. Wait. Yes, it reloads. So it's been applied. Done. Now you can check. Yes, you can see the shader pack has been applied. So that's how you can install the shaders in TLauncher Minecraft.